Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone hotspot not working on a laptop. First thing you need to do is open up settings on your iPhone, and then what I need you to do is just come up here to personal hotspot, click on that. Now make sure it is actually on, so you have toggle this one on. Allow others to join. That's the main issue usually if it is not actually toggled on. So toggle that one on. Once it is toggled on, you can come back to your laptop, your Windows 11. And then if you come down here, the bottom right, you click on your Wi-Fi icon, and then you click here. As you can see, manage Wi-Fi connections. You'll see all the different connections. Now I've actually connected to a hotspot here as well. So all you need to do is just click on that specific connection, and then you click on connect. And if there is a Wi-Fi password required for your hotspot, you'll have to enter that and you can just connect. It's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out.